Hey guys, it's Michaela at Cold Creek Nurseries in Aiken, South Carolina, and I want to tell you about a couple heat-loving annuals to put into your containers and into your beds. One of my favorites this year, gaining a lot in popularity, is the Campfire Lane Bidens. This plant's going to get about 14 inches tall. It loves full sun, it's drought tolerant, and it's a great plant for pollinators as well. The great thing about this is it does not require deadheading. So Campfire Flame Bidens, a great plant for the full hot south sun. Another one that's a favorite is the Sun Star Pink Pentas. Also at times called the Firecracker Plant. It's just an explosion of beautiful color. These tubular flowers are a favorite of the hummingbirds as well as the butterflies. It is drought tolerant, it takes the full sun, and it too doesn't need deadheading. And lastly, a little short guy right here. This is the Evolvulus Blue My Mind. Look at that beautiful blue color of this plant. It is a great pollinator plant. It is drought tolerant. It loves the full sun. And lastly, the common thread that I love about these three plants, besides that it likes the sun and the heat, is that it does not need to be deadheaded. So add these to your backyard, to your containers, and enjoy all summer long.